Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another product review and this time it's the mascara. I finally got my hands on the new Fenty Beauty by RIHANNA mascara and it's called Full Frontal Mascara. When I first seen ads for this mascara on Fenty's Instagram page, I was so intrigued. I was like, what is this? In the pictures it looked like there is two wands, so there's like a fat wand and then there's like a skinny one. So I wasn't sure whether it's gonna be two wands in one tube, like one end with a fat wand and one end with the skinny ones. And then it actually hit me that it's just one wand. So what you get is from one angle this wand is kind of fat and then when you twist it to the side it gets skinny. There's nothing like this on the market. This is such a new thing and I haven't seen anything like this before. So I was intrigued and I really wanted to try it. Although I love my Stila mascara so much, which is the huge extreme lash mascara. This one was nearly finishing, so I thought this is a perfect time to try something new. So this Fenty mascara is supposed to lift, curl, define and lengthen your lashes. So it's like all the goodness in one tube. I bought my mascara on boots.ie. I paid €24 and on RIHANNA's official website there it's $24. I suppose it's quite an average price range for higher end mascaras, so I'm hoping it's worth the money. So this mascara is cruelty free as are all the other RIHANNA's products and it's water resistant and sweat resistant. So it doesn't say that it's waterproof, so I suppose you can have a little tear or something and it should be fine, but I suppose you can go swimming with it and expect it to be just perfect. Also what I liked about it as well, that it says that you have loads of playtime with it, so it means it's not super quickly drying, so you can really play with it and really define your lashes and comb them through without making them clumpy looking. This is the first time I'm gonna try this mascara on camera and hopefully it'll be good. Okay, so let's give this baby a go. So I read online that this wand has to be fully loaded with mascara for it to work. When you take the wand out of the tube, there is not much of the product. Some mascaras have loads of product on the actual wand and it makes your lashes so clumpy and hard to work with. This is kind of good medium amount of product on the brush. What they say in the website, you have to start with the fat side and kind of wiggle that upwards to lift and to volumize your lashes first and then use the other side to kind of like comb them through. It's so hard to apply mascara on camera and look quite decent. Feels super lightweight, doesn't feel heavy on the lashes. Does a great job lifting them up. So it says you have to keep doing this until you are satisfied with how volumized that looks. And because it's not super drying, you really have this time to work the product into the lashes. Okay, so this is how the lashes look when using the flat side of the brush. So now I'm gonna flip it to the side and use the skinny side of the brush to comb them through. Okay, so it does really kind of separate the lashes. It's lovely. You can really come close to the roots of the lash with the side. Wow, I think it does a great job. My lashes look so long now. I wouldn't say it gives me much of a volume, like as in thickness, but it does definitely give me loads of length. So you can see the difference between my natural lashes and the lashes with mascara. Another thing why I loved this mascara as well is the amount of product that you get in the actual tube. Say you normally would get 7.5 to 10 milliliters of product in a tube. This mascara comes in 12.5 milliliters, which is a lot. I think it's stunning. I think my lashes look really great. They don't clump up, so they don't kind of stick together. And this brush is doing really great job separating them and elongating them as well. On RIHANNA's webpage, she says that using the tip of that wand, you can really get into the lower lashes, and we'll see if that works as well. As you can see, this is the difference. So this is the eye with mascara on, and this is my just natural lashes. So it does do a great job lengthening them. I'm actually loving the look of it. So now I'm gonna do the other eye. Compared to the Stila one that I love so much, to this mascara, I would say that Fenty one is actually better at separating lashes and not clumping them together. The other thing, I just wonder how it's lasting throughout the day and if it's transferring onto your lids or on the bottom part of your lash line, because sometimes some mascaras do that. They just stick to the skin of your lower lash line and then you look like a panda. So here we have both eyes done and it looks absolutely amazing. I'm delighted. My eyelashes look unreal. They look so long, not as much maybe volumized, but definitely long and curled. So I think I still need some time to just get used to the new wand and how to use it and how much product to load on. But what I liked about this mascara, because it's not quick drying, you have a playtime. So it means, and even if you're doing 2-3 layers of this product, it doesn't clump up, it doesn't look heavy, your eyelashes wouldn't stick together, and it actually does a great job separating lashes when you use the skinny side of the brush. I'm absolutely delighted with this so far, and the only worry that I have, as I mentioned before, if it's going to last all day without transferring the bottom part of my skin or on the top here. Sometimes some mascaras do that, and it's hard to find a mascara who actually doesn't transfer. And again, when it comes to mascaras, I think say 90% of performance of mascara is down to the actual wand. This one is so unique and it works fine so far for me anyways. Once you get the right wand for your lashes, I think you can just do amazing looking lashes for every day or even for going out, because some people don't like wearing fake lashes. And you know what, I don't probably even would need to wear fakes on top, because look how amazing these look. They look so long. So I'll keep you guys updated on this, and I'll let you know in the comments down below whether it's actually transferring or smudging or anything nasty happening. And for now, I'm saying thanks so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to just give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future videos. I upload them every Friday, and I will sure see you in my next one.